Hello audience, let me take you to a very dynamic part of human resource management, to whom we recognize it as talent acquisition. Talent acquisition is a strategy and the success and sustenance of the organization in the competition depends upon what kind of strategy does the organization have towards resourcing best of the talent. So this concept is completely strategic and challenging, and it is the modern term which is being utilized for recruitments. Although we have one more term which is now used very commonly, that is human capital management. So now let's start with talent acquisition. Well, if we want to express talent, we can easily express it as talent is equal to knowledge multiplied by skills multiplied by abilities. So this means talent is one word which includes the complete knowledge, experience, expertise, information of the concerned employee. And acquisition means hiring, selection. How and what kind of method are we exploiting towards resourcing the best of the talent from or across the globe? Now, let me discuss with you the basic meaning of talent acquisition. Talent acquisition refers to the process through which employers manage the recruitments, and that is why talent acquisition has become a very detailed strategy which is being implemented very carefully and step by step, and it is the front end function of the human resource department. Now, what are the various components of talent acquisition? The first one is lead generation. This means resourcing from where we can hire the talent. Number two is planning the recruitments and then attracting the right candidates. Third is interviewing them and evaluating them. Fourth is evaluating the references from where these resumes have been resourced. Next is shortlisting, screening and selecting the best of the candidates and then sharing with them the joining letters. So this means hiring them and bringing them on board. So this means talent acquisition starts from thinking and goes up to the implementation of the idea. So it's quite a broad concept. Now, talent acquisition is also defined as the process of identifying and acquiring skilled workers to meet your organizational needs. So this means the company's priority is to shortlist and hire the skilled workforce for the purpose of business expansion, growth, profitability, revenue generation and other positive aspects. So, what can be the top talent acquisition strategies? If we want to hire the best of the people around, then we have to develop few of the focal points. These are: number one, draw up a solid talent acquisition strategy. So the key word is strategy. We have to work upon very closely. Next is find out the dimension of the competition. Who are the competitors? What are they doing? Number three is benefit from talent acquisition software. Now everything is app based. So we are using web resources for making our business more and more profitable. Number four is build future proof talent pipelines. Yes, we have to find out how we can strategize upon resourcing best of the resources. Next is engage the wider business. We must evolve a strategy that is representative of various departments and teams. Next, harness the power of employee referrals. Now this is one of the most conventional area for the recruitments. This means the internal reference from the already existing employees. This is also quite useful, and the best thing is that it involves the element of trust and faith. Then we have to be agile and flexible. We need to have plans, those are forward, those are dynamic, while we plan recruitments. Next, we have to build up a brand, and the best term for this activity is employer branding. So these are the very innovative and novelty strategies that can be involved and evolved for top talent acquisition. And most of the organizations around the world are exploiting and working upon these strategies by the bottom of their heart. Now, what are the various strategies that are involved in talent acquisition? Well, talent acquisition is a broad word that involves many things, which involves starting from planning, then processing, how we have to implement the plan, then compliance, that is the legal aspect. After that, we look forward to talent segmentation. What kind of people do we require? From which area? With which expertise? How much experience? From which industry? What knowledge, skills and abilities? Then we have to develop an analytical approach, which is a statistical data-based science. Then we have to evolve tools and technology to build up relationship with the stakeholders. Next is outsourcing. Yes, outsourcing is now very important activity. So there are specialized agencies. Those are best into resourcing the right candidate for your organization. And there is also employment branding. This is also known as employer branding. So through this, the organizations try to attract new talent by promoting the wellness of their existing employees. Next is advisory. Advisory is also a support activity within the talent acquisition. And last one is the recruitment. So recruitment is putting the plan into the action. So this is how a talent acquisition works. And I have made you understand what are the various strategies that have to be planned and implemented, or we can say that have to be executed while working upon talent acquisition. Now, what kind of skills do we require to talent acquisition? The people who are involved in talent acquisition as talent acquisition executive or manager, those must have these skills. First of all, they should have good communication skills. Then, they must have active listening skills, which is very important. They must be able to develop good plans. They must be able to learn new skills and competencies. They must be able to build upon relationships. And they must have social orientation. They must have social focus. They must have good practical skills, analytical skills. And finally, which is more important, is that they must be oriented towards modern technology exploitation. So this means that those have new technology skills. So these are the wide and versatile talents. Those are required to be there for talent acquisition. Now, benefits of talent acquisition. There are fourfold benefits. The first one is the right people will always bring you better productivity, a pool of talented players. This means that you will have best of the people working for you. Next is cost effective and time effective. This means saving your resources. And the last one is hire leader instead of just employee. So you must look forward to a person who can be a representative or a brand for your organization with the right leadership skills. So these are the fourfold benefits of talent acquisition. So my dear audience, I hope you would have definitely benefited out of this presentation. So wish you all the best, stay safe and thank you.